Hello there guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this infographic in PowerPoint in just 3 minutes. So let's start, but first make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. So first of all, we're going to open up a blank slide and then we're going to go to shapes. And from here let's insert a rectangle which is this much thick. Go to format shape, and from here what we're going to do is just give it this color and this color gradient from the previous shape. And then let's give it some shadow of inner side. Do the same settings for it. Now let's put it in the middle. Now let's go and insert this rectangle. And what you're going to do is just flip it horizontally. And then we are going to give it a gradient. The same gradient we gave to the rectangle before. Yep, like this. Perfect. Next we're going to duplicate the shape and change its fill to like gray and put it on top of the previous shape. Perfect. Now let's just duplicate it. Here we go. Yeah, so done. Next what we are gonna do is just put the shapes onto the right side and then change the gradient and then duplicate them about 5 times and insert the small rectangle right here and then put the shape on top of that rectangle, and then we are just going to duplicate the same shape about 5 to 4 times and then put the shape on top of the rectangle. Now let's decrease the size and the width of this shape, and what we're going to do is just make it real small and put the other shape back on it and then group them and put them onto the left side of your main shapes. Here we go. We are just going to put them and align them together, and for this rectangle we are just going to duplicate it a lot of times. Now let's just ungroup all the shapes you have grouped before and then adjust them in a like real good posture. Now after changing the color of those left sides, we are just going to change the fill of the right shapes to white, and this is the effect that is given. Next it is time to put like the icons, and then we are just going to duplicate the slide and then put everything into the middle and the center. Now select both of your slides and then go to transition and give them morph transition. So yeah, this is the final result of what we made in this video, and if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also comment down. You can get this template for free from the link in the description below.